Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to chamfer entities like this in MicroSurvey CAD. First, go up to the top and click Edit. Move over to the right and click the triangle right next to Fillet, and then click Chamfer. Chamfering works by defining a distance removed from the vertex of two lines. Right now, it's set to 1/2 foot on either side. To change this, click Distance and then type the length that you want removed. I want a 2-foot chamfer, so I'm going to type 2 and hit Enter for the first side. Now I'm going to hit Enter again for a 2-foot chamfer on the other side. All that's left is to select two intersecting lines, and MSCAD will automatically cut off the corner. Let's do it for the rest of this line. Because I have a lot of chamfers to make, I'm going to click Multiple. Now it's just a matter of clicking one side and then the other for the rest of the line. Now say that I want to chamfer this rectangle, which happens to be a polyline. After I click Chamfer, I must first click Polyline for it to work on this rectangle. Now all I have to do is simply click it. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.